Changing your primary email with Coastal Federal Credit Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Coastal Federal Credit Union website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the account settings, find the option for email preferences or contact information. Click on it to access your current email settings. Step 4. Update your primary email. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new email is set as primary. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.